Wano jaragire Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragobe krangu kwariani asemesa yamangana maya buna endete kwatka imena isko ya Gusii ekanungu kubori ohire chinga kichao chabeno ramana rale endete kwatka imena isko ya Gusii abunguru chingongo nye chense irianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo ekanungu wakirambia mono ekaronede koligeria Ndizi nero bwansumo gusinyurana nabokanda gotubwatia sense meri yemitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News jito wega sensemo ya YouTube na boto nyora Ndizi TV News onya chingaki na boto tweet @Ndizi TV News ba karenga likiao ganda ko tuma gwetera ase number ya 0792192834 ine number yetu ya studio karotoma uchumbe yao Joshua Auta na tukubwatira nere ko sensemeri yumurwe manyerere kara bigari nyanja mako yaenekia agocheire asenjere jibichamo na mariogi na manganda takorekana kaltorochira umma bolibwasi miuro moja bwa singerere buna okorobekana ni gokorobereri gochokorekana asamo tukatado ewikeye ritukudia Jumatano Alhamisi na Ijumaa asebono banyarire bakobori bali barasoma bwa serikali na babunge bali bagosire serikali ko na barabuko babwatesia ase okorobekana ayungatiana kwarganerie konyaretera gocha sore eriane Brighton Makori. Tigawantoya chake kurwa sensemeri ya Kegogi Maran sub-county ebunge ya Kitutu Jaje North asebono magiga yokungusana na asegeka egetambe igoro yobotenelibwe kewanda giye kagwa kia ekirubo ina otebiri kutoka sensemo ya Kegogi asensemo ya Kitutu Jaje North county ya Kisii nigobono ebyombe bibere byukungusana na byanyara gwikirana asekiwande kyo erigo tango bochori obubwaro beri gokorekana lituko liarero muri kwito cyo swadia misi na endete gutubwatira roboti oru ekarwa koronyora senjera yobukranwe koragense yamo kolende uratomire kengese kyo roboti oru
wono umufurutano wabeire orwa esa abantu ba cooperatives ntwabwata tare tatu mukutano wa chivo bisaga chaga minister ya agriculture the county director Pamela gacha na abandi chief of departments chine bagacha tukaiguana imebango tukubwati tumanya okoro bachori rero tare 17 mutiro
lakini renda kare tugwate komite gotoranto isanegetenero nabana twanyorira abande bagotorwania segi batatu gotoire ni nyaigune chingu tumateni babo gore tinto ya manyeti bono into bategemeta tukigwaka
ekero togosuka bosio goikase county ya Nyamira magiga yokora okorobekana imeye county ya Nyamira ewikeri ya etaba MC babere weterekia magyo diamu nigobono banyarire bawe soke na oteabuna nigobagendere kokosereri gobogima bwabo gati ya MC abo no MC we ward ya township Duki Masira na boigo MC we ward ya Kyabonyoru Vincent manager manager abono banyarire bateabuna nigobono baendete kokoseru obogima asebono bamomochiri omobunge bwebunge ya North Mugrango Josh Nyamoko asoko bagosere nigobono baterena nigobaganeti banyoro borendi ikyagera nigobono obogima bwabo burasakon
kende yonsi sitolense so muske nche no muske benecha obogima bwaito buratarindi and by always pakatubwatwe na ukomitu turami tubone sintara manyanga ito komitu agotoro no bwoba banene okomitu kwabo saja na kukora aja ko igon tuntore no bwoba singinja basikaba bagoteba buna intutorigiri no musikoyo kyabanyoro asoko soka twegwete nk'abantu baito batochorete para bari egasi toko kora buna ba MCA etoko kora kiria abantu baito abatokora abatochorete batagete
ndorara nyumba ndora bera astori no morembe family jeto jikwanga ishubobe ubo tukobo igora abantu bajete gotura batari gwetangasa barabunigo igo ndete gotebanga eserikali omukomana rito gaiga toye security sign buna ba MCA nabo igo ntoragosera mundu nde bwense okwandamana ni haki yetu kama tuliandamana na wananchi ambao walituma assembly
nataka kini kiabanga nege ntoka kega gosine kia maandamano abasigari bamanya wanza kobwati abantu totebyo mo county commando ito Nyamira totebi na the entire security also want you to offer security to our people abaheshimiwa Duke Masiro Township no moske Benecha nande tuborie president ya Kenya muske William Ruto yore president yaito nera aligereri afaindie solution era
aborokiwa bari babwata omochando otimwase eskuru ya Kisii ose eskuru yoboroso ya Kisii nigo ritkoria rero banyara bakonyora obokonyi korwa ase ababatani bekiombe gia Global Connection Foundation korwa ase ya America ose United States of America ase kiombe kio kianyarage korwa chiribu 50 na ibere gochi asogosira chisemi juba okwana sense meyoni go badena ene njire yamo yo kwena kibuna ngosira bare aborokiwa ao bari babwate omuchando yo na senjire yamo yo kwena kya bunangosira bare chisemi ase iskuru ao kona ase skuru ya Kisii Primary School nione yanyorobo konyo yo obo asaba bwatani be chisemi anene mwalimu monene bagokera obokonyo obu ase skuru yo.
We'd like to present 52,000 shillings to the school so that they can do the repairs they need and purchase supplies that you all need.
Hello, my name is Ruth Haynes, the Executive Director of Global Connections Foundation in the United States. The Autism Unit here at Kisii Primary is one of our stops of many schools. I'd like to acknowledge and thank you for hosting us here. I'd like to thank the principal, the teachers, the directors for supporting these children, for having a unit for them. I'm sure many years ago there was no place for these children. So we thank you for your support. It means a lot to the families. It means a lot to the children. Your attitude towards the children is lovely. We see how you deal with the children and interact with the children, and it's just beautiful.
I am James Mitunda, the principal of Kisii Primary School, which is hosting the Kisii Autism Unit, Early Childhood Development Education, Primary and Junior Secondary. Today we are very happy. We have received visitors under the Global Foundation, and we are very happy that you have come to visit us and see the school together with all the learners, teachers, and the parents. The token you have given us now, it will move us a step ahead because the learners here, they are very happy. They have been excited to see you, and they are really requesting that next time, when you get time, please come and assist.
Magega ye video ya nyaradhege koranda se mitandao yo ya rekore kanabuna omobunge ogitui East Nimrodi mbai buna niga nyaradhe ga komogosera gose ko mwakorwe omobwatani yo mogose omokuri mirimo korwase company ya Kenya Power nigo bono omobungo ya nyarire kaukana mangana yu na gote abuna tariere egarade ne video ya nyaride ke weta se mitandao nigo ya nyaride ke korosiwa mamincha nere kaukwana litkurare kranyara kago ikasense meri yo kwiranire gose se kyombegeri ya EACC niga kanire na wate abuna tariere ekerate abuna ere no mo pasta otakorege korwa bunekyo.
No, I never assaulted anyone. Yeah. Do I look like assaulting anybody? I'm a pastor. Yeah, I don't pastor actually. Which video are we talking of? How much conversant are you with the ICT and videos and editing and copy pasting and all these, the way you can play around with a video clip? Yeah, and a constitution respecting Kenyan, I had to present myself. So when I got there, I was arrested just like another Kenyan. I was taken to Kajiado, the ODPP's office, and yeah, I was told to wait for my file to be processed so that I can go to court. Yeah, I'm out on cash bail, so that's it. Then EACC took over their beat on ethics. That's why I'm here. I'm waiting for another person who will take over from their beat and I take it on. That's Nimrod for you. You know, we are Kenyan, we are here. When we go to politics, we know what comes with politics and we are ready for it. Okay. Actually, I have no problem. To those people who elected me, I'm a hero. They know it. They know I'm a no-nonsense person. You know, they know it. And I'm telling you, I tripled my votes. The votes I was given in 2017, I tripled in 2022.
Archbishop Viri Bwanyoro kurua sensemo ya Nairobi ni gobona nyaririga kuburia barai wetanga kurua sigukwana chingwa jizanyara chigotora na umurembe a sense ya Kenya kaukwana ni gobona nyarika temna barabubune kanisa ni gobare tayare mono kwene kibuna ense ya Kenya ngotigarire kere no murembe boigona kubwatani abarai ao irigosukense ya Kenya gochibosio.
Want to encourage the government to feel that sense of discouragement that people have, and for that matter, to discourage the government and all the politicians, opposition and all the politicians, to desist talking vulgar languages, war languages, criminal languages in the public to the people. They can hold those meetings themselves, and we are available as the church also to participate into discussion matters concerning the well-being of the Kenyans. That is why we are the church. We don't side with any group, but we want to come together and discuss together for the good of the people.
Ekero togosuka bosio babata ni korwa sebiama ao ni gobono banyarire ebakobori umurai bwense amo numurai bomo bwasimiuro moja koligereria na kororanga kibago chamo na kubeka chitaba udichabense mechicharo na chendete kwimoki amaberera ase ense ya Kenya baukwana abakora ono munyakerobo bwa manganayo Evan Smith ati ne wadena ne chingaki Kenya edakeirego chamo na baraigo kwana serio gerimo erigosuka gochibosio.
Confronted with the crisis that threatens our very existence as a nation, each and every Kenyan must understand that the solution to this situation lies not in military or grandiose grandstanding, but in dialogue.
So it is incumbent upon the two leaders to help this nation heal. PPLC is ready to help do that because the 90 political parties, fully registered political parties, are concerned at what is happening today.
We know that law enforcement agencies exercise restraint and adhere to proper protocol to ensure that safety of public during the protests. On the other hand, it is paramount for the protesters to adhere to the bounds of the law as provided.
Kuna tumaini kwa nchi hii tukija sisi wote pamoja kama taifa. Tusiwache mjadala huwe katikati ya watu wawili. Wacha mjadala huwe katikati ya Kenya wote.
Seneta we county ya Nairobi Edwin Buna ni gobona nyarega komoji habarai bali baenda komoji omagwas miuro moja buna mbari ujokorokobekana lituko lya Jumatano Aramisi na Jumakao kwana nene krobare ngase county ya Nairobi anaso musangano bare tamo ababwatani basi miuro moja ni adena we kabachikorobekana ekyagera serikali ni getaraigwa ebirero by'abakenya.
I have received intelligence that in fact senior police officers in the Kenyan Police Command have chosen to ignore the illegal directive that was given by CS Kindiki for police officers to shoot protesters. And that is the reason why the president convened a PG, because he knows the police will not do his dirty work. He has now told his own members of parliament to mobilize people in their constituencies to come and harm protesters. We want to say here to those of you who might be mobilized to come and fight your fellow Kenyans, we are not the enemy. We are not the ones who have added taxation on fuel. All these members of parliament here voted against that bill. You cannot come and fight your fellow hustlers in the streets. You cannot come from Madare and think that you are better than the person who comes from Kasarani. If Kenyans are sleeping hungry because of the price of food, the hustlers are sleeping hungry and members of Azimio are also sleeping hungry. For a president to convene a meeting where he sets his own people against each other.
Ngane yobono yedu nisufuna ni wanyara kego sirwa no yore omurai bwabake azebunge obiyo wandanyi yote abuna oikokorobekana gokorekana asama tukatato egekogera eserikali niyo yarorekanile goticha mato ali abakenya baukwana.
We are here to confirm that the peaceful protests are planned for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday this week are on, as earlier declared by our leaders. These protests will go on in line with Article 37 of our Constitution, which, as you all know, provide for freedom of peaceful assembly and picketing. And no person, no authority has got the power to suspend the operation of Article 37 of our Constitution. No person, no authority, no agency, not William Ruto, not Kithure Kindiki, not Ndiritu Gachagua, who? Yes, no person and anybody purporting to stop demonstrations.
Boiga babwatani abo ni gbatere no kurobekana kora senze ya Kenya tarie koregati yumurai bwense Dr. William Ruto amo no murai bo mobwasimiura umoja korende nigobole asaba Kenya bonsi bali bage chiwe kubwatikana no gukina kubugima.
Kwa msukumo huu, maandamano haya si vita baina ya Ruto na Raila. Maandamano haya, msukumo huu umeletwa kwa sababu hali ya maisha haiwezi ikakidhika tena. Mwenye alisimama na Ruto, mwenye alisimama na Raila, wote leo shida ni zile moja. Na Ruto, mimi nataka kumwambia kitu kimoja. Serikali ambayo haiwezi ikatetea wengi ambao ni wanyonge, haitaweza kutetea wachache walio watajiri. Wale ambao wanalia njaa leo, wawe ni Azimio, wawe ni Kenya Kwanza, ni wale wanyonge.
Ekigambiro ekenene ase kaunti ya Garissa ni gobono kyanyarege kumusibo omworokyo yomo emyaka 35 asogotokana neri mocho lyokomokorera omwana yomo asensemeyo bobe. Kero kuna chugwa kolekana gati ya babwatani awakuru asensemeyo nigo bakere ekigambiro munambuya kolengana na ogosibwo ko nigo korachigo konya abange kobwa bali bakora obosagani gosoboke bago kunobu.
Having mentioned the judiciary sentencing guidelines above, which I find persuasive, and considering the High Court's provisions, in my view, the accused should be locked up and be accountable for his own actions. The accused is hereby sentenced to 35 years imprisonment in custody.
Sasa mimi naona hiyo haki umetandika. Nimefurahi sababu ilikuwa mimi sikutarajia hata hiyo haki wanafanya namna hii, sababu watu wanasema Kenya hakuna nini haba hakuna adala. Huyo jamaa wanasema mimi niko na pesa, hiyo nitatumia pesa hata akikataa maslahi, natumia pesa yangu iko na pesa. Hiyo sasa mimi nimekataa. Mimi nasema hata kama unatoa pesa, mimi ningoja tu hiyo mahakama vile wanaamua.
Kabisa mahakama imefanya haki na tumefurahia sana maamuzi ya mahakama ya leo. Kwa ajili mambo ya kufanya dhulma kwa watoto imezidi sana Garissa, na sisi kama mashirika ya sio serikali tumefurahia sana hukumu ya mahakama leo. Kwa ajili sisi ile kitu
yubono amona mange nyanyore semanye chumatata garoji korete na Vincent Nyanja ni Vurinosero bakumanya mange benendete gwateka na isiko ya Gusii einekaro yaragire enseyemo yabona marogoba egano chabaliki baito kurwase Chinsemo aho kurwase kaunti Nyamira chob mangi kurwase kaunti ya Kisii chosbade ya misi dibone asanya amo na mirudi momanyi na ndemo Steven waendete kukwariganira erinde ochikoya nyora yu asenjera yoboikiranu gekurage enseyemo yabona marogoba kwenda kutobwati enero Ndizi TV bwansoma Gusii Auta eroringa sensemeri yomonwe manyererio ekarabigari nyanja mena kibnago chiri wetera mariogi amone chibicha njina yareta sole Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'Gusii. Chinya gitari njira.